Find or read reviews that people are talking about Icesky 3-channel, Wi-Fi dashcam with 64 gigabit card. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. High definition dashcam front and rear inside. Icesky M4 using the cutting-edge Sony sensor and Novatech chipset. Monitors and displays your car's front, rear, and interior simultaneously in 1440p/2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution. Providing cinematic smooth video evidence in case of accident dispute/insurance claims. Ideal dashcam for family cars, new drivers, and Uber/Lyft drivers. Connect with your smartphone with Dashcam app. Using the dedicated free Dashcam app, you can easily connect the M4 dashcam to your cell phone, iOS/Android. With a few simple taps, you can get live streaming videos from your car's front and rear inside, adjust the camera setting, download your trip videos, and share the videos to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, and other social media. Flexible 4K plus 1080p dual dashcam modes. You can disable the inside lens recording of the M4 dashcam for your privacy needs, or you can unplug the rear camera if you only need to record front and cabin inside videos. In the above two cases, the front lens will automatically increase the resolution from 2.5K to 4K, delivers higher definition front videos to read the road signs and license. Seamless loop recording and reliable witness for accident. Less SD card maintenance is required for you. The loop recording will overwrite the oldest videos with the latest videos when the SD card is about to be full. Built-in 3-axis gravity sensor. When a serious collision occurs while driving, the sensor will auto-lock and protect the collision videos, providing the event witness for you to deal with the accident dispute or insurance claim. 24 hours parking mode. Protect your property. M4 dashcam goes on recording at low FPS, time-lapse record, after you shut down the car when with the extra Type-C hardwire kit connected, not included in the package. Help protect your rights from malicious car damage, hit-and-go events, and in-car property stolen. 64 gigabit SD card includes /car camera charger with USB port. True plug and play for you with 64 gigabit card included, which means you can use the dashcam directly after you receive the package without purchasing an SD card separately. An extra USB port is added to the car charger, allowing you to charge the cell phone or power other devices when using the M4 dashcam. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.